So in this video, we're going to break it all down. How milk supply actually works, what's normal, and the biggest reasons why so many moms think they're not making enough milk when actually they are. Plus, I'll tell you exactly what to do to set your supply up for success before your baby is even born. And stick with me because at the end of this video, I'll share one of the best ways to know if your baby is getting enough milk without second guessing yourself every 5 minutes. So let's get into it. All right, first things first. Your body is literally designed to make milk for your baby. This process starts before you even give birth. I know, it's crazy, right? Here's the thing, your milk is already here right now. Yes, while you're still pregnant. Your body is already producing colostrum. That's the super concentrated, nutrient-rich milk that your baby will get in the first few days after birth. And as soon as your baby is born, your body kicks into full milk-making mode. Here's how it works. After birth, your body stops making pregnancy hormones and starts releasing what's called prolactin. That's the hormone that tells your breast, okay, it's go time. Then, within a few days, your milk transitions from colostrum to mature milk. So if your body is literally built to make milk, then why do so many moms worry that they don't have enough? Well, that brings me to the first big misconception about milk supply. One of the biggest mistakes new moms make is expecting to see full bottles of milk right away. But here's the thing. Breastfeeding is not the same as pumping. As a matter of fact, your baby is way more efficient at getting milk than any pump. And in the first few days, their stomach is tiny, like cherry size tiny. They don't need huge amounts of milk. They need frequent feeds. So instead of stressing about how much milk you see, focus on how often your baby is nursing. Feeding on demand is what tells your body, hey, come on, keep making more milk. And that, my friend, is how you build a strong milk supply right from the start. Now, let's talk about another big reason why so many moms think their supply is low, when in reality, their body is doing exactly what it's supposed to. Okay, let me paint a picture here. You just had your baby and suddenly they want to be on your chest all the time. They're rooting, they're fussy, and you start thinking, oh my gosh, I must not be making enough milk. Well, the truth is, this is completely normal. It's normal newborn behavior. It's called cluster feeding, and it's actually the sign that your baby is working with your body to boost your milk supply. Babies, they go through growth spurts where they nurse constantly to increase demand, which tells your body to make more milk. So if you're thinking, my baby is nursing all the time, I must not be making enough milk. Remind yourself, this is my baby's way of helping me build a strong supply. The key is to let them nurse as often as they need. That's what keeps your supply going strong. Now, let's talk about the one thing that can actually mess up this process and cause low supply issues if you're not careful. So many moms struggle with supply, not because their body can't make milk, but because they weren't given the right information from the start. Here's the deal. Milk supply works on a simple rule: supply and demand. If your baby nurses frequently, your body makes more milk. If your baby nurses less often or you skip feeds, your body makes less milk. It's really that simple. So to keep your supply strong, the most important thing you can do is to nurse early, nurse often, and respond to your baby's hunger cues. That's the secret. Now, I know what you're thinking, but how do I actually know if my baby is getting enough milk? That's the biggest question, right? Well, in the next video, I'm going to show you exactly how to tell if your baby is drinking enough milk without second guessing yourself. So, click on that now, and I'll see you there. And if you want to feel 100% prepared for breastfeeding, click the link in the description for my step-by-step breastfeeding course that will help you breastfeed with confidence. But for now, go watch that next video so you can learn how to tell if your baby is getting enough milk. See you there.